Hi everyone, today we are at Kettle Village and we are going to be touring the Jam and Relish Kitchen. And in the kitchen it looks like we'll be able to see them making pickled beets. So when you come into the Jam and Relish Kitchen, at Christmas time they have this cute mailbox. So if kids have letters to Santa, they can place them right there before you enter. This is an amazing store. Everybody will love this store if you haven't visited. And the Jam and Relish Kitchen, this was the start of Kettle Village. And the owners here have expanded over the years to become what it is today. This store is awesome. They have so many neat homemade Pennsylvania Dutch items. They have fresh honey, they have honey sticks, they have honeycomb, all kinds of really good honey products. And they have tons of relishes. Here's cranberry relish. And one thing, if you buy a dozen, 12 jars, you'll be able to save a little bit of money. You can save 10%. And believe me, it's easy to get 12 jars. But they have all kinds of bean salad, just tons and tons of different kinds of relishes and jam. And the store is so pretty in here. They have free samples around the store also. And they have great gift items. Even for the pickiest person, they'll find something. I love their applesauce. They make this awesome homemade applesauce. It's unsweetened. They have some with cinnamon, some without cinnamon. It's so delicious. Here's some more nice gift baskets. There's the jam and jellies section. And look how many of them. There's tons and tons of types. Traffic jam. Oh my gosh, I love that. That's awesome. Grape preserves, strawberry preserves, tons of them. And then here's the salsa section. And they have just any kind of salsa you can imagine. Mango salsa, peach salsa, pineapple salsa. This is great. And the same thing, if you buy 12 jars, you can save 10%. I'm assuming you can mix and match different products. Here's a lot of salsa gift baskets already pre-made. And then they have pickled things like chow chow. They have pickled beets. And then, of course, they also have a whole wall just of homemade pickles. They have tons of butters. I love butters like pumpkin butter, apple butter. The yellow jar there, that's buffalo salsa. They also have teas, and I forgot that they have teas here, but they have coffee, tea, they have loose tea, bag tea, and then here they have these separate Keurigs, or K-cups, I'm sorry, and they have some really cool flavors here. Cinnamon sticky bun, and this is apple crumb cake, Dutch apple crumb cake, whoopie pie, only in Lancaster County, right? And here's some of the butters. They have peach butter. Of course, they have apple butter, pumpkin butter, blueberry peach butter. And then over here are a bunch of, sauces, cheese sauces, just tons of different things. Crackers to go with all the different dipping sauces. Here's a sampling bar. You can go up there and get free samples. And then over here they have corn and black bean salsa. Here's moonshine madness. A lot of cool things here for sure. And the moonshine madness, that is barbecue sauce. And they have crackers. And right behind this section, they have the kitchen where you can actually go see them making whatever they're making in the kitchen. They don't like you to film though. And here is some more really nice gift baskets with some salsas in them, fresh peaches and pears that are canned, some bread mixes, really good stuff. And here's another bunch of salsas and dipping sauces. Oh, yum, raspberry and lemon curd, key lime curd. I love all this stuff. And then right behind they have the little crackers or like little cookies that you can put the curd on. They have awesome marinara sauces. We've tried several of these, and they have the fresh homemade pastas too. And then over here are soups and spices, and they have like these neat soup kits that, you can just make a quick soup dinner. And we've actually tried a couple, and they were awesome and super easy if you have, a busy night. I love getting stuff like that. And it's like, it's homemade stuff that you get right here. Here's a whole section of dip mixes. These are great. Cheesecake mix. Wow, okay, I never saw that before. Cheesecake mix, and it said ready in 5 minutes. These are really cute gift boxes for the holidays. And then here's some more salsas, pineapple salsa, just, tons and tons of stuff in this store. It's crazy how many different varieties there are. And here they have popcorn, and they actually have the corn that you can stick in the microwave and it makes popcorn. And that's really fun, especially if you have kids. Like, kids love to see the actual corn cob popping the corn. And then they have all the spices that you can put on your popcorn. And there's a section of nuts, lots of different kinds of nuts and snacks and good, chocolate things like nonpareils, chocolate covered pretzels. These are gigantic peanut butter cups in all different kinds of flavors. Yummy, you have to stay away from them for $7.99. They also have a bakery here, and here's a bunch of different kinds of pretzels, pretzel sticks, regular pretzels, chocolate covered pretzels, dark chocolate bark, and they have these really cute dish towels in the center here. And here is a look at their delicious bakery. Yummy, yummy, yummy. There's so many good things here. Blueberry bread, banana bread, pumpkin bread. It all looks so good. Whoopie pies. And we're supposed to be on a diet, and this is just not the place to come when you're on a diet. Like, it's just impossible to resist. Here's syrups, neat kinds of syrups, and they have the syrup containers. They have gingerbread kits. Oh, and the Perfect Man gingerbread pin. That's adorable. I love that. I need to get that for my husband. Ginger Kids cookie mix set. That's so cute. And then they have cookie mixes. Sugar cookie, snickerdoodle cookie mix, brownie mix, pancake mix, monkey bread mix, a lot of awesome breads and bread mixes, super, super fun stuff. And they have delicious homemade cookies, and the sign is telling the truth because these are so good. Anything you pick here is just going to be top-notch, fresh, great stuff. And here's a baker just getting lots and lots of cookies ready for the oven. And I have to laugh because I hear my husband over in the bakery getting cookies. So yes, our diet is not happening today. And as you check out, they have some more snacks and gift items. Oh, that's cute. Lancaster County coasters. And they have these cute sponges. There's the microwave popcorn, chocolates, a lot of grab and go items. So when you check out, you'll go through this little area and the cash registers are right out here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this great store, and definitely stop in if you're at Kitchen Kettle Village located in Intercourse. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day.